Bonjour Year 5, comment ça va? J'espère que vous allez bien. Alors aujourd'hui on est le mardi 31 mars. We are going to use more verbs of the first group in the present tense. So last time we've seen the first group of the first group that starts with ER. Now I want to do a small recap, so to make sure that everyone understood. So we're talking about le présent, so the present. When we talk about the present, we say maintenant. Maintenant, which is now. Maintenant is now. En ce moment, in this moment. Aujourd'hui. Today. So we're only talking now about present. So the verb, un verbe, c'est un mot d'action. It's an action word. For example, par exemple, jouer, to play, manger, to eat, parler, to talk. Now, this form of the verb, when you see that ends with er, we call it's the infinitive. It's the verb in the infinitive form. Okay? The infinitive form, it's when we have to before. Like to play, to eat, to talk. So, jouer, that's the infinitive form. Manger, er, is the infinitive form. Parler is the infinitive form. So we'll try to find the verbs here in the sentences. Je vais au cinéma. Vais is the verb. Tu manges un sandwich. You eat a sandwich. Vous jouez au rugby. Marc regarde la télévision. So those are the verbs. But as you see, they are not similar. They don't end in er because they are not in the infinitive form anymore. They don't mean to eat. They just mean, for example, tu manges. You eat. It's not to eat. Vous jouez. It's not with an er here. It's not the infinitive form. Okay, now the verbs that end with er. We have three groups. The first group, that's the easier one, is it ends with er in the infinitive form. Like parler, habiter, parler just to talk, habiter to live, voyager to travel, regarder to look or to watch, écouter to listen, travailler to work, aimer to love or to like, détester to hate, manger to eat, jouer to play. Other verbs, adorer to adore, téléphoner to phone, danser to dance, tomber to fall, donner to give, étudier to study, chanter to sing, acheter to buy, envoyer to send, imaginer to imagine. So basically you need to know all these verbs very well and their meanings. So for example, we have parler. So we need to take out the er. Arriver, to arrive. So they are called the easy verbs. The verbs er, they end with er. We just take out the er. We put our pronouns, je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Those are the pronoun subjects. And then these are the terminaisons for each pronoun. Okay, the terminaison e, es, e, ons, ez, ent. Those we call them the terminaisons. So instead of the er of the verb, we take out the er of the verb and we add those terminaisons for each pronoun. For example, habiter. Habiter, l'infinitif du verbe. We take out the ER and just copy habite, which is before it. Habite, tu, habite ES, il, habite E, elle, habite E, nous habitons ONS, vous habitez EZ, il, elle, habite. J'habite un immeuble. Tu habites une maison. Un autre exemple, jouer, to play, same thing. We take out the ER. Becomes joue. Tu joues ES. Il joue E. Elle joue E. Nous jouons ONS. Vous jouez EZ. Il joue ENT. Elle joue ENT. Il joue au football. He plays football. Elle joue au volley. Elle with an S, because there are two now, two girls, joue au volley. Another example, with parler, to talk. Je parle, tu parles, ES. Il parle, E. Elle parle, E. Nous parlons, ONS. Vous parlez, EZ. Il, elle parle, ENT. Elle parle, ENT. Elle parle au téléphone. She speaks in the phone. Ils parlent. They talk. They speak. Okay, other verbs that you already know, like adorer and détester. J'adore. Tu adores. Il adore. Elle adore. Nous adorons. Vous adorez. Il, elle adore. Elles adorent. Il adore la moto. Nous adorons la musique. Détester. Je déteste. Tu détestes. Il déteste. Elle déteste. Nous détestons. Vous détestez. Il déteste. Elle déteste. Now when we read the déteste, we don't say détestant. We pronounce the ENT E as déteste. Okay? Je déteste le yoga, elle déteste le fromage. Now attention, when it comes to étudier, we do not say je étudie, but j'étudie, because we have a vowel. The first letter is a vowel. So when the first letter is a vowel, we put an apostrophe. Like, j'étudie le français. I study French. Same for aimer. Aimer starts with a vowel, so we do not say je aime, but j'aime. J'aime le français. Again, habiter. Habiter starts with an H, so any vowel or H, we need to put an apostrophe. J'habite à Paris. I live in Paris. Now, we need to associate the sentences, les phrases. Give you a few time to think of it. Je will go with which end of sentence? Je travaille à Paris. Tu habites à Lyon. Il adore le rugby. Nous parlons français. Vous détestez la géographie, la géo. Elle aime le football. For your worksheet today, you need to write each verb in the infinitive form in front of each picture. Okay? And then you need to put the right terminaison or the right ending of the verb. Okay, with je, it ends with what? With no, it ends with what? And here we'll have to write the verb manger in the right form in the present tense. Je, okay, vous, ainsi de suite. The challenge today is to write 4 sentences using those words. Écoutons, danse, travailler, and pleure. Pleure, which is to cry. Pleurer, the verb pleurer, to cry. Okay, be careful, danse, look, it ends with an S. Okay, good luck and see you next time. Au revoir.